Hello, welcome back to Rafael Cooking Style. Today we got some hot dogs at home. Delicious. Look, all we have got here: some fries, some cabbage, our Polish Kiełbasa or Polish sausages, and just like that, we're just gonna in our pan. We're gonna preheat it and just cook our sausages. Like you see, these are two different extra ones. These are just delicious Frankfurt Polish style Kiełbasas. So a little bit of oil, just like that, just to a little bit of fat, to have it just done like this. And we're using our Thermomix to have our buns. Look, just whoa, it was high, it's so hot. And look, this is our buns. They are just done. Yup, and now look. They get the bread, the buns get easily open if we do it this way. We are gonna add our sausages. Just cut a little bit of cut here the paper, and yeah, just like that. So we got to top it with a cabbage, carrot, and parsley salad. We got some fries. We got some Polish pickles, and we have some roasted onion. On top of it, we're gonna add our three basic sauces. With this mayo, ketchup, and mustard, and we are gonna finish it up with some grated cheese, as you may just see in the video. Look at this, just our cabbage, just grated cabbage, and a little bit of carrot, and a little bit of parsley or coriander or any fresh herbs you like. Just now we got some pickles. Here, this is the sour style. They are very sour. They are just Polish style, just like that. We got some fries from the store. I bought a package. Oh, oops, sorry, it just was too much, and just like that. Now our roasted onion and then our sauces. Just like you see, this is the main thing. Is just to enjoy cooking, and these delicious sausages are very easy and tasty to cook, so there's no doubt they will taste very nice. So I hope you like it. I hope you can replicate it, something like that. You can look for these sausages in the store, the one you like, and they will just of course taste indeed very nice. You can also grill them. I'm using it on the pan, but also boil them. It's up to you. Yeah, so we got our three basic sauces, and so ready to go. So everyone, I hope with you a nice journey. Take care and see you in the next video.